Hey guys, we got some pups for sale. This is Clyde. He's the father. This is Anglo-American's Jinx. Huh. Alright, Jinxie. Got some little pups. They are good looking. Already full of fire ground. We got 3 females and 1 male. That male there standing in the box raising all the cane. He's a pretty one. He looks like Bad Billy. A little white on his chest and all. Ruff, ruff. Come on now, Jinx. Puppies! 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 It will be 6 weeks on July 4th. The papers are already back from UKC. Got 2 pretty tan ones, 1 real light brown, and 1 kind of darker brown. These pups are for sale. Looking at the paperwork, they look like about 70% Wilson's Bad Billy, with a little bit of Mason and a little bit of Wetzel mixed in. Okay, get on. Let y'all get a look at the mother. She's been a really good dog. We picked her up last year from Anglo-American, and we've worked with her a little bit. She's a really good dog. No, Clyde. Clyde. This is our main Clyde. Come here, boy. Come here. This is our main dog, Clyde. He's got some. He's pretty much Bad Billy and Wetzel. He's a really good dog. Listens well. Has no problem engaging whatever he finds. He's looking at the other male dog down there. Make sure he knows who's the top dog. Alright guys, if any of you are interested, send me a message and I will send you the copies of the parents' pedigrees so you can see how the dogs are bred, and see if you'd be interested in getting one. Hop down, Jinxie. Hop down, let them see the puppies. They're full of fire already. I think they're about 5 weeks or so today. Puppies! Puppies! Alright guys, thanks for your time.